Coming Ipor again, brother. See?
I see your smile beneath the city lights. You chase my fears away in summer nights.
See, brother, huh? See? No shugol, brother. I don't know what happened. See? All. No working, brother. What to do? See, also here, brother. This is F7, huh? See? Pan and this one not working. I don't know what happened. It's coming Ipora. See this switch okay. Pan not working also. See this F7. Now okay, brother, running. Okay. So now, brother, now okay, running. I will check after afternoon again. Huh? When I come back 6 o'clock, I check it's running or no. Okay, brother. Now I check now. When I finish, give the bill to Shakti. When I'm coming outside, coming like this now. It's F14, okay? See, brother, this one control na. See, not working. You press 3.
Yeah.
See, not working, brother. Okay. So now I'll go there upstairs. I will check the motor. Okay. See, boss. When I make on, see, he back, he come back. See. Even I put back, not coming. See, not coming. And then make on, also not coming. See, they will go back. Brother, good morning. See, brother, same brother, not working this pan motor. There, see, this one, F7, not working. See, coming on, but see, not working, brother. But there downside, working. Light, okay. Okay, brother, I said 20, okay? She's coming 26. Brother, good morning. This also pan is okay. This EC number 9, ground floor. Okay, I check now. This pan is working. Okay? This EC number 9. Brother, good morning. Brother, good morning. This one EC now. Number 9, ground floor. Now it's working but little bit cooling only. His temperature is coming 25. Okay, you can see in the photo. Okay, coming 25 but still not coming Ipor now. Almost half an hour now I will open this. Brother, good morning. See now, brother is working. This one this is number 10, pan working. Motor also I think working and coming little bit water. This one pipe, see. Okay, this water here little bit okay, and this one little bit hot. Okay, here cold. I think this now okay because water coming, no.